Hi there, this is Chris and another guide. In the previous one on how to repair a Moscart, I was asked by one of the commenters to make an instructional video on how to load the Moscarts. Now, the Moscarts themselves retain the BBs by this rubber O-ring here, as shown on the 160 version. If I can get it to focus, don't want there, you see it cuts through there? That will hold the BBs in place while this is being in transit until needed. On the smaller versions, these are held by an O-ring just held underneath. It's the same principle. There, you can see these much plain with them taken off. Now, the way to load these is both quite similar. It is important that you gas these first before doing it to make sure that the gas lock system, as explained earlier, is fully depressed. If you look at this one very closely, there's a slight gap there. This is not loaded. So just turn 90 degrees, push hard with this end of the tool, screw back down. That should look, if I can get it to focus, it should look a bit more flush than normal than it was previously. Loading these is quite simple. You take your BB loader and pour some down each of the holes. Now, as these have a partial barrel to them, there will be some wastage. You just pour it out, load it into the next hole, repeat the process. As you see, they are loaded in there. The 180s is slightly easier as you don't really need the rod. You can just use one of those new pump-in loaders that G&P and Tokyo Marui have started putting on the market, and are currently being copied in China at the moment, and just load them straight until you can't push any more into them. I hope that answers a few questions.